Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add a section in Todoist. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just be in Todoist, and then you're gonna have like YouTube Yoga here or whatever project you got. So you want to click on three dots here, and then you're gonna see add a section. When you're gonna do it, you can name the section, and I can just simply go and write here YouTube channel 2, and voila, I have two sections right now. So I can add a new task here, and this is how you pretty much do it. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yep, have a great day and goodbye.